There's I think there's about 300. In fact, there's an association of prison lawyers who are in the country who specialise in prison law. Well, one of the guidelines, of course, is in inside time. If they're, I mean, as you know, we survive because of adverts. So, and it's all, by and large, it's all it's all solicitors. So, if you're in prison and you're looking at the all these are adverts, you see. So you don't go wrong you can't go wrong for not having a solicitor.
Was there any way of being able to create a hierarchy of quality of lawyers? Because this is one question that we've actually have been examining carefully, which is the issue of quality control of lawyers.
Yes.
And whether in fact there's how would one would go about assessing them according to certain criteria, like preparedness to do the hard work, commitment to their clients, preparedness to explain properly to the client what was going on with their case, engaging with them and ensuring that they could also do work in their cell and listen to them, and a whole range of other questions like that.
Yes.
Was there ever any assessment of lawyers according to criteria like that?
Well, I think the Association of Prison Lawyers do have, and there's about 300, I think, at the moment. They come together on a regular basis, do training and so on. And you know that when you get a lawyer that is part of the association, ostensibly they're supposed to be, know what they're doing.
And can you say this person is better than another person? Is there any way in which you can rate people in that way?
I'm not sure you could do that.
No. See, that's what we try to do if we can.
Yes. In terms of lawyers, I mean, one lawyer might work very well for one person, but not terribly well for another.
Right.
It doesn't make them bad lawyers, it just means may have been some problem with personality or something. So you can't always be sure that, he's good and he's not so good.
That's right, okay.
But if you're going through the paper and you see people, on the front page we've got a guy, the Morse, what's it called? Yes, Carter Moore. And they are, they've done a couple of high-profile miscarriages of justice cases, which normally we put down the side, I can see. But, so when you see that, you think, well, they obviously know what they're doing.
And they've been around for a while, and presumably they also would make sure that their quality control is good. They would make sure that whoever's allocating to your job would they'd be maintaining their reputation.
Yes, yes.
So do you ever get reports from people about how the lawyer actually responds as well? How their lawyer handled them?
I don't think we get that from prisoners. No, I mean, I think the only thing you get from prisoners is when it goes terribly wrong, and of course sometimes it does go very badly wrong, like it does with doctors and everybody else.
Of course.